Well, in an effort to, just keep going, Mark. In an effort to fill up this concrete hole that we had here that just had a wooden cover with I guess with shingles on it, and it had a whole bunch of bricks holding it up, and Mark wanted to get rid of it, and it turns out that this is where the well line comes in the house, and Mark wanted to dig down in order to drop some stones before we laid the concrete, and it looks like he hit the well line.
Yeah, looks like it. I thought it was a tree root. In my defense, I'd like to say that, but apparently not.
Yeah, so instead of filling up this hole today, we are doing a repair job.
An emergency repair.
Emergency repair.
Because we have no water until this gets fixed.
So, yeah. Always something, always something. But anyway,
that's what makes it fun.
Anyway, we went off to, I guess it was Ace Hardware, picked up a whole bunch of stuff, and we'd already had 3 bags of stone, and we already had concrete, so we also decided to get a bag of sand to lay around all the piping so that nothing sharp hits it. Now, this is well hosed to PVC, which kind of irritates the heck out of both of us.
Yeah, it went to
we're
PVC.
We're not happy with PVC, but that's what the house has. But Mark is going to put a piece of...
Going to put a piece of PEX in between.
Put PEX there.
And mostly because if I try to lift this up to the point, the PVC up to the point where I can get another piece of PVC in between these two, it's going to break back there. And
that's all we
I
need.
only want to do one repair today.
Yeah. So, anyway, that is where we stand right now. So at this point, we're in the midst of putting it back together. And as they say, into every life, a little rain must fall.
And or as I told the man at the hardware store today, and he's very helpful, I told him, well, today I've had 2 showers.
Yeah. Okay. And that is the piece that got cut out and is being replaced.